bitches, welcome back to another video. I am so happy to see you once again. Today we are outside of Marshall's. We are starting the trip at Marshall's and then we'll see where we go from here. But we're doing a makeup steals and deals today. If this is your first time watching any of my videos and you don't know what makeup steals and deals is, makeup steals and deals is where I go to Marshall's, Nordstrom, TJMAXX, and Burlington, and I try to find high-end makeup for half of the price. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. I mean, who doesn't like high-end makeup for half of the price? Am I right? So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video. Also stay tuned because I will be announcing the winner for the chocolate chip palette, so stay tuned for that. And now we're gonna go into Marshall's and get started with this video. Alright guys, we're outside of Marshall's and we're gonna go see what we can find. Okay, in the top they have these Lorac Light Source Illuminating Highlighters. These are $4.99. They have like this blue one and then this purple one and then more of like the teal color. So they have these shades right here. They have Absolute New York Correct and Cover Concealer in Fair. Oh, I think this is like the lightest one I've seen because usually they're like super orange and stuff, but these are in light and these are $3.99. And then they have a Lorac Lips with Benefits Tantalizer, and this one's a lip gloss and this was in $3.99. This is in the shade Antonio. I have this Clinique Acne Solution Clinical for $13.99. That's a little expensive, but it is Clinique. And then they have this W7 Genius foundation for $4.99. They have Maybelline foundations back here for literally just $3, and then they have a whole bunch of the Anastasia's and Gold shadows for $4.99. And then I had down here, and I found this Smashbox Studio To Go lips. It comes like in mini size for $7.99. And then these Buxom Dolly Plumbing Contour Lip Trio. It comes with a lip liner, gel lipstick, and a lip polish, and this one is just $7.99. And then I found this Lorac Front of the Line Pro Eye Pencil for $3.99. And I haven't seen this one, a Bermenos Hello Bright Eyes. It comes with a concealer, a mascara, and then a eyeliner for just $4.99. Oh no, $14.99. I was gonna say $4.99. Well, that's really inexpensive. $14.99. This Make Mine Double. It's a mascara duo with the travel size and original one for just $10, and it was $20. And then this Clinique right here mascara plus cleanser for $15.99, and OPI for your nails. And then they have these Pixie by Petra little eye palettes for $4.99, and they have this shade, and oh no, they're all the same shade. And this Smashbox palette for $24.99. They have Almay for $2.99, and a couple more brushes down here. Okay, here they have a couple of mascaras. These are not like high-end, but they're just mascaras for $4. You basically get two mascaras for $4. And they have that foundation that I showed you guys, the W7 Genius, and they have Cosmania lashes, which are my favorite lashes. Basically you get 5 pairs for $8. And they have BC, more mascaras, and they have this L'Oreal mascara Butterfly Effect for $4.99. Ooh, they also have the Gigi Hadid mascara. So crazy how they ended up here. $4.99. More lashes of my all-time favorite ones, Ripe Dramatic Lashes. I haven't tried these, but they look super pretty. $3.99. And they have this e.l.f. glowing eye palette for $3.99 as well. And then more Butterfly Voluminous mascaras, and yeah, just a whole variety of mascaras here. Okay, really quickly I want to show you guys what the lashes look like, the Revive ones. That's what they look like. I think they're actually not bad for the $4 that they are. They seem really pretty. Okay, now over here they have all the Real Techniques beauty blenders that I think that they have came out with. This is a dewy highlighter in contour. This one is just $2.99, so $3 basically. And they have the purple ones that are like mini erasers, but honestly I would use these for like your under eye concealer. This one's also $3, and they have a lot of these, as you guys can tell. They have more down here, more mini erasers over here, and they have this Urban Studio Pro Blending Sponge, which is like the dupe before the Real Technique one, so it's only $4. And then down here they have deep cleansing pore scrubbers. If you're like into skincare and stuff, these are just $4. And they have this Revlon Beauty Blender that honestly I had never seen for only $4. these little cute little beauty blenders, tiny ones, for $2.99 as well. And then they have this, which is pretty cool. It's just basically a beauty blender with a travel case for $4.99, and then a kabuki brush for $4.99. Oh, and they have the magnetic lashes, which I kind of want to try for a video. Let me know if you guys would be interested. I'll come buy them later. I'm pretty sure these aren't gonna be gone. These are $10. And then they have these, if you're interested in buying one of these to clean your brushes. These actually do work. They're $4.99. Well, this one has like the suctioning cup so it can stick on, or you can just buy like, these are super cute. These come like in a popsicle shape. $3.99. They have different ones, but these definitely do work to clean your brushes, so these are a good investment, and they're like super inexpensive as well. Oh, and they also have this, the erase your face. I don't know if this actually works, but they have these, $3.99. Oh, there's actually one missing. I guess someone took one. But yeah, they have a lot of cool stuff. Okay, I also found the Japanese brush cleansing trio. How cool is this? This one is just $3.99 for all three. Okay, I showed you guys last time these are the limited edition. They were Techniques brushes, and these should be $9.99. Oh, they're $7.99. Were they $9.99 last time or $7.99? They have these. They have a Paris Hilton collection. They have these Equal Tools ones, which are new. I had not seen. These are $6.99. It comes with a little case so you can store them. And they have these contour set brushes that I don't think I had seen, honestly. These are $5.99. And then these, which kind of look like the Morphe brushes that I got last month. These are $5.99. And then they have the Equal Tools Rose collection brushes. Those are $5.99. So they definitely have a lot of brushes. Oh, and they have these style brushes, a set of 3 back here. Those are really pretty for just $4.99. How cool are these little impression vanity mirrors? They're super tiny for $9.99. So basically open it up and it lights up, and it's in the color white gold. But I just thought I showed you guys because it's like really neat and cute. Alright, I found this Bite Beauty and Spice for $5.50. It's actually on clearance now. And then I also found another Bite Beauty product for also $5.50. This one is in velvet. And then I found this Lorac Baked Bronzer. Lorac. This one is only $7.89 compared to $33. This is definitely a steal. So yeah, it's just a bronzer. And then I also found a foundation for, this one is $7.89 in NP1. It's the Natural Performance Foundation Oil Free. And let's see, I found a Smashbox bronzer. This one right here I've showed you guys before. This one's a more matte for just $20. It is still expensive, but compared to original price, I'm pretty sure it's inexpensive. And I found this Smashbox lash and liner set. Super pretty. I like the packaging. For $17.99. That's what it looks like. And I also found a whole bunch of Too Faced Nota Lippy for $4.99. They have this like coral one, this pink one, and I also found this MAC lip liner for just $10, and a Revlon brush for $2.99. Okay, I also found this Lorac Lippies lip gloss for $4.99, and then this one is also $4.99, and they're both in the color Bartista. And I found this Glam Glow for $39.99. All right, we are out of Marshalls, and I think we found pretty decent amount of stuff. Okay, so they did have a couple of items that I had not seen, like the Lorac products. They had lippies, bronzers, blushes, all that kind of stuff. They also had Bare Minerals new products that I had not seen. So I think for the first trip at Marshalls, we did pretty good. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna go to TJMAXX and City. It's pretty close from here. It's like a 3 to 4 minute drive, so it's not bad at all. And I really want to find the Lily lashes to give them away to one of you guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and head out to TJMAXX. All right, we just got here to TJMAXX, so let's see what we can find in here. Okay, here's a couple of things that I found. I found this Smashbox color correcting stick. This one's to cover redness for $12.99. I found 2 Lorac Touch Up To Go concealers, $5.99 in the shade CF10, so 2 of these. Then I found Too Faced Nota Lippies. Like always, these are $7.99. Oh, they're $4.99 here. A Kat Von D Lippy in Vampita for $7.89. Her High Performance Smooth Operator. This one's the one I showed you guys last time. I was on clearance, still for $22. Another Lorac Touch Up To Go concealer. A Peter Thomas Pore Beauty Pore and Wrinkle Reducer for $20, and supposedly it shows you here how it reduces your pores. They also have Bella Pure Lippy Kiss Proof Slay for $5.99. And they have the 3-second brow eye stamp, which I've been wanting to try for the longest, but I don't know if it's gonna work, for $6.99. Real Techniques Beauty Blender. the Bold Meadows collection for $4.99, and they have this e.l.f. Sheer Golden setting powder for, let's see, $3.99. Oh, and they have a Pixie by Petra palette as well for $4.99 back here. And let's see what else. They have lashes, more of the Too Faced lippies, Gigi Hadid mascara as well, and Absolute New York eye crayons. These are $4.99. And they have a whole bunch of e.l.f. illuminating powder, cream foundation. This one right here is the liner sealer, lip shade shifter for $2.99, and then a whole bunch of CoverGirl. In the skincare section, I found this Origins Modern Friction Cleansing Oil for $14.99. This Origins Mask Primer for $11.99. And then I found this Elizabeth Arden toner, normal to dry skin toner for $7.99. And I found two of these Peter Thomas Cucumber Detox Eye Treatment, and I was gonna take one, but they're both missing a lot of the treatment and they're only $9.99. This was definitely a steal, but like I said, I opened it to check if everything was in here and some of them were missing, so really bummed out. Okay, here's a little bit more skincare. This new Peter Thomas Advanced Wrinkle Treatment for $59.99, and they have this Bag of Tricks by No. 7 for $12.99. It comes with a sunscreen, an eye cream, a night cream, and these towelettes. Alright, I found this Peter Thomas Hair to Dye hair treatment. I had never heard of this or seen it, but it's $34.99. And I found another Peter Thomas collection down here for $39.99, and this No. 7 also like a gift set, $10.99, and then a Glam Glow Evocavinism for $34.99, and then a White Balance Brightening Balancing Softener for $30. So if you're really into skincare, they've been upgrading their skincare section and there's more high-end now. Alright guys, we have arrived to Marshall's. I came into another Marshall's location because I really want those Lily lashes for you guys. So we're gonna see what we can find here. Alright, they have more of the Real Techniques limited edition brushes, and they have Paris Hilton brushes for $4.99, and then they have more Real Techniques. Oh, these are new. I haven't actually seen these. The Bright Eye set. Look, it looks like that, and it's only $7, $6.99. I had not seen that one, but looks like there's no Lily lashes, just regular ones. They do have more of the Japanese brush cleansing trio. These right here are $3.99, and they have Maybelline foundations, and they have way much more of the Real Technique blending brushes, and they have a couple of other lashes like Cosmania, the Revive, but not the Lily lashes. These actually look kind of pretty as well. They're like 3 foaming lashes for $2.99. They have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and the Primer Water for $19.99, and I see another one back here. These are the MAC lip liners for $19.99, and I see Cargo palettes. They have a big variety of them. These are $9.99, and then they have this one which I haven't seen in a while, Around the World. And Ellen Tracy, a whole bunch of mascaras, W7, BC, CoverGirl, Revlon, CoverGirl. I think all the lashes range from like $2.99 to $4, if I'm not mistaken. So they have a whole bunch of palettes. They're not like super high-end, but I want to make like a challenge where I try to do my full face with just regular brands to see how like it comes out. They do have like this color correct set right here. This one is $6.99. I really wanted those lashes, but I still have to go to like the aisle where you pay. They have a lot of high-end over there. They have this brush set which is really pretty for $9.99. But yeah, so far that's all I see. Alright guys, these are a couple other goodies that I found. I found the Smashbox Full Exposure Palette for $14.99, and then I found this Smashbox Lid Primer in medium for $11.99, and then I found this really pretty Lorac Alter Ego lipstick for $4.99, and then these Marc Jacobs foundation. This one is in beige lights. I found 2 of these, and these are $14.99. Alright guys, I literally just got out of Marshall's and I showed you guys the goodies that they had there. I did get the giveaway prize. No, it is not the Lily lashes. I looked for them. You guys witnessed that I went to 3 different stores because I wanted you guys to really get those lashes because I am in love. I'm actually wearing the lashes, the Miami style, and I really do like them. So I wanted to get a pair for you guys, but unfortunately I couldn't find them. But I did get something else that I know you guys are gonna love. So we're gonna go ahead and announce the winner for the chocolate chip palette. The winner is Shalini Tiffany. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. I'm trying to say it right. I think I did. So girl, congrats to you. If you could please message me on Instagram, so then that way I can ship you your chocolate chip palette. And then for this giveaway, I'm giving away this right here. I showed it to you guys. It's the Real Techniques limited edition bright eye set. And I mean, it comes with 4 brushes. Like, you can never get enough brushes. 4 brushes, a sharpener, and then like a mini beauty blender here that you can use for your concealer. So literally these will be like so amazing, and they're holographic. Like, the packaging is so dope. I love it. So if you guys want to win this set right here, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and basically just write whatever videos you guys want to see from me. That's all you have to do. Again, I'm gonna repeat it one more time. To win this right here, you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and then leave a comment down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see in this channel. And it is that simple. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, stay tuned because I will be uploading a video very soon of the cheapest thing that I found at Sephora. So stay tuned for that, because that video is going to be amazing and you guys love everything that's affordable. So that's why I filmed it for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Super excited because I have been brainstorming so many video ideas that I know you guys are going to love, and I cannot wait to just put them out there and for you guys to tell me what you guys think. Like I said, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.